A rabbit lived near a farm and had many friends. He would always play, talk, and have fun with his friends. His days were passing happily. He always thought how lucky he was to have so many friends. One day, while passing on riverbank at some distance, he saw a lion which was slowly moving towards him. He got scared, but then he thought that he should ask his friends for help. They will definitely help him. He ran towards his friend horse, who was grazing nearby, and cried for help. The horse said, "Friend, I would love to help you, but I have to leave for my work." Saying this, the horse ran away. Then the rabbit saw his friend Bull, who was resting, and said, "Brother, a lion is coming for me. Please scare him away with your sharp horns." Bull stood up and said, "Friend, I can make him run away, but farmer has called me to work in fields." Saying this, the bull slipped away. Now Rabbit saw a deer and told him about the lion and said, "Please help me. If you let me get on your back and run from here, we can be saved." The deer thought, "Why should I increase my burden by carrying him on my back? I should run alone to save my life." Thinking this, the deer ran away alone. Rabbit could see lion approaching him. Seeing no other option left, it ran as fast as possible and went far away and hid away in a hole to save himself. That day, Rabbit understood that he had lots of friends, but there was no real friend. All of them were selfish. He understood that only he could trust was himself. You see, in life we all have friends, but the real friend will never leave you when you are going through hardships or facing difficulties in life. We need to identify a real friend and a fake friend. Fake friend is like a shadow, always near you at your brightest moments, but nowhere to be seen at your darkest hour. A true friend is someone who sees the pain in your eyes, while everyone else believes the smile on your face. It's better to trust yourself instead of trusting others. If you found this video helpful in any way, please hit the subscribe button for more inspirational videos. Thanks for watching and stay blessed.